Okay, so we just started with circles. And so here we have a circle right here. The next thing we're going to talk about is chords. So what is a chord? We're going to define a chord and show you how to represent a chord and how to name them and a couple of different types. So mainly just chord and a diameter, which is a type of chord. So first of all, what is a chord? So here we have a circle. And this circle is circle A. Again, we name that by the center of the circle. And there are a set of points, that's our circle. These set of points are all equidistant from that center. And so here, I'm just going to indicate a few points along the outside of that circle. So we have point A. On the outside, we have B, C, D, and E. So these are just points on the outside on the circle. So a chord is just a line segment. So our definition is it's going to be a line segment with both endpoints on the circle. Okay, that's the definition. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. A line segment, remember, is just part of a line, right? So if it goes from here to here and has a beginning and an end, that's a line segment. Okay, this is a line segment where the endpoints, that's the end of this line segment, the end of this line segment. So where it stops, that's the endpoint. So this line segment has a beginning or at E and an end at B. It's, well, if you go in that direction, the opposite if you go in the other. So one of the endpoints is at point E. One of the endpoints is at point B. And so this would be chord EB. And we name that this way, and you also indicate with a straight little bar, line segment symbol above the letters. That indicates that it's a segment. And that's how you name it. Okay? So you name it. Use the endpoints. Okay? Right as a line segment. And indicate that it is a chord. So in other words, example, EB. Chord, there's our indication. E, it starts at E, ends at B, like that. Or if we wanted to start at B and end at E, that would be fine too. So remember, chord, B, E, E, B. So direction isn't important in identifying these. These are exactly the same. These both represent the exact same chord. Now, if we have something like this, okay, this right here has an endpoint on the circle, another endpoint that's not on the circle. This is not a chord. That's what a chord looks like. This one doesn't. If you go to the outside, not a chord. There's another type of chord. Now, let's say, for instance, it starts at C and passes through A. Okay. Now, at this point, that's a diameter. I mean, a radius, right? It goes from the center to the outside. Here, it goes from one side of the circle to the other side of the circle, and the important key is that it passes through the center. So if this is point F, okay, that is a diameter. It's a diameter FC. Okay, so a diameter is a type of chord. Okay, a special chord that passes through the center. Okay? So I hope there are no questions on that. I hope it was fairly clear. So chord goes from one part of the circle to another part. A diameter goes from one part of the circle to another part, but it has to pass through the center. And that's pretty much it.